You're planning to get a liposuction or BBL done, and you're wondering, am I a qualified candidate for this surgery? Or basically, you just want to know what makes an ideal candidate for this surgery. Well, I'll be getting into that today. Hi, my name is Dimchy, and as a bonus, I'll be throwing in certain concerns that we've seen in the content or in the comment section, actually, that might be bothering you. So let's get into it. Alright, so first is your overall health. And I'm not just talking physical health, I'm also talking about your mental health. On physical health, if you are being managed for any chronic condition, or if you are on prescription medication for any chronic condition, it is your best interest to let your surgeon know, or to be consistent with that medication prior to your surgery. Now, mental health, I feel like this is a part that is way overlooked when we're discussing it. You see, it is not only important for you to prepare physically, but you should also have your mental faculties in the right place, in the sense that you are ready to do this surgery, and you're also ready to keep track of your recovery until you get to the place you want to be. Next is your body fat composition. Now, if you're looking to get the BBL done, we need adequate fat to be able to transfer from one part of your body to your behind and thighs. And liposuction generally is for people who are close to their ideal body weight but need some kind of sculpting to, shape their body well. So based on where you are on the spectrum, you may want to gain a few kilograms or drop a few. Now let's talk about some of the concerns that you may have heard from others or that you may have. Pain. Is liposuction painful, you ask? Well, let me put it this way. It depends on your threshold for pain. So if you're like me and in secondary school you could chest like 10 strokes of cane and not flinch, then you would definitely have like an easier time. But if you have a low pain threshold, then yes, you will definitely feel pain. And I'd like to remind you that this is a surgical procedure, so yes, there is some level of discomfort involved. But as a team here in Curvygirl Essentials, we do our possible best to keep you comfortable throughout the procedure and during your recovery. Another common concern that you may have is safety. You may be wondering, is liposuction or BBL even safe for me? Well, the answer to this question is simple. We understand that safety is at the top of your priority list for this procedure, and guess what? It's also at the top of our list too. You see, here in Curvygirl Essentials, we spare no expense or effort to ensure that we maintain the highest safety standards in all the procedures that we do. So you're in good hands. Well, this is all the time I have with you today. And if you have any more questions or concerns, remember that we have a special webinar coming up where Dr. Dimma will be there to answer all the questions you may have about this procedure. So see you next time, guys. Love you.